Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. And today I have my EAS Beauty magnetic eyeliner and lash kit. So we're going to look at these and then I will come back in just a little bit. I have a few other things I have to take care of first, and then I'll come back and we'll put these on and see what all this entails. You do receive a little card. So you get a little card here, like a little dear customer card, which is nice. And this is what I see when I open the package. So you have your lash applicator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your magnetic liner. So they go from, you know, probably normal and the smallest to the most big and voluptuous, and these look beautiful. I'm trying to see if I can feel them. They feel nice. I would tend to think the first 2, maybe 3 might be, you know what, I'm going to try them all on at some point. So the liner, let's see. So you don't get a ton, but you get enough. And from what I heard, you really have to shake this good and then, you know, allow it to dry. So I'll be back. I have one more video to film before I want to do this because I'm only going to be able to do it on my left eye. My right eye is so irritated these last couple days that if I even put anything like this on, my eye is just going to tear and water and give me trouble for the rest of the night. And then it would still continue to bother me tomorrow. So I only put one on as a demo so that you can see it until my eye. I think I had put an eyeliner on the other day and I put it in my waterline and it was fine. But I think it irritated my eye so bad. My eye is still very teary and just feels irritated until that goes away. I don't want to put anything else around, like I don't have liner on, mascara, anything, just to give it a rest. So I'll be back in just, for you, it'll be a second, but for me, you know, about 15-20 minutes. And I'll show you putting one of these on. I'm excited to try them. They look beautiful. Okay, I'll be back. So, I have the EAS Beauty Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash Kit all open. I'm actually, it's like a day or two later. I did not have time to do this right after I filmed the intro part of this. I've just been shaking the liner. It's got like a little, you can hear it moving around. It says to shake it really well. I have my mirror out so that I can see what I'm doing, because if I take my glasses off, I cannot see anything. I have the little lash holder out. I don't know if I need that or not, and I'm just trying to decide which ones I will try on first. Might do like the second or third one just to, I'm only going to do one eye just because my right, unless my right eye is still a little irritated, but not as bad as it was 2 days ago. Definitely probably only going to put it on this eye. I know that's kind of, you know, it would be nice to put it on both, but I don't want the liner, in case it irritates, to really have my eye be super irritated over the next couple days. I just need it to be not teary and not all bloodshot and stuff like that. So I think that's shaken enough. Let's see what this applicator looks like, because I have no clue. So it's just, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just a real fine. And let's see if I can do this. I have not put liner on in such a long time. So today is Sunday that I'm filming this, so don't mind the hair. It's I don't know how I can do this. Pre-haircut. Yeah, I can barely even see with that one. Let's just see. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I think I might need my 10 times mirror to put the actual liner on. So this is only a 5 times, and I honestly cannot even see that well to get the liner on. And I don't think I can do it with glasses on. I need them glasses that you can pull down the lens. At least I can see out of this eye. I don't think I can get above and do it. No. So give me one moment. I'm going to put the eyeliner on. We've all put eyeliner on in my 10 times lighted mirror. That's in my bathroom. And I don't want to unplug that. Could I unplug that and bring that out here? Trying to think. I don't think I can plug it in anywhere because I have my lights plugged in, my camera's plugged in. give me just a moment and I'll get the liner on, and then I'll show you how simple it is to put the lashes on. Give me just one moment. Okay, so I got the eyeliner on, and I literally had to put the lashes on in the other mirror. So what I'll do the next time I try these, I will bring my 10 times lighted mirror out. I struggled with, the liner is on and the lashes are on. What happened was my eyelashes are so long that I hit the edge of my lashes, and then it clumped my lashes up. So right dead center, it doesn't, I don't know if you can see, there's a little gap there where it like pulled the liner up. But these, I mean, I put, what pair did I put on? I put the second ones on right there, like these. I didn't put the first one. Thank God I didn't get with any of the bigger ones. Plus my lashes right along in here are like clumped from the line, excuse me, from the liner. So that I would have to unclump. I would probably put mascara on my own eyelashes first the next time. But it's on, very comfortable. I mean, you fill your end in first, not the corner of your eye, because if you look at your own lashes, they really don't start dead center of your inner eye. They're up a little bit. So fill in from back here first with your lash, and then have it fall. But they're on. I mean, that's on. But since my eyelashes are slightly clumpy, like right in here, I would have to get like a micellar water out or a cleaner and clean my lashes to get the liner off. Like I hit my own lashes in it just because it's very liquidy. I would almost prefer something not so liquidy. Like I wish there was like a gel pencil that was magnetic. I might have to look around because I might like that better. But this is a great kit, I think. And I don't wear lashes often. They're very comfortable. I don't know that they're on. I'm sure you guys can see the difference. Plus, the black eyeliner is a little much for me. Like, I don't like that look for my eye. Like, I can see where it's coming up right there, like dead center. But it's on. Very comfortable. Believable, for sure. And, you know, I wear my glasses, and I can see them. I can see where the two parts that didn't lay down right because I clumped my own lashes right there. But they're on, they're comfortable, they look nice. I'm liking that. And then they just come right off when you're done. Now I don't want to put this back on the magnet because I want to be able to clean them. But it almost like pulls the liner up when you take the lash off. Let me just see, I can see better with my glasses. Yeah, it almost like it pulls the liner off, so it puts the liner, I guess, on your lash. So make sure you clean them. I'm not sure, it doesn't really tell you how to clean them. I would assume like you could use soap or water. I'll use my micellar water just with like a Q-tip and clean the back. I don't see that as something I will wear all the time, but maybe these first lashes here that are more like everyday-ish, even though that pair that I tried on is really not bad. Some of these other ones are kind of like out there. I don't know if I would wear them on a daily basis, but maybe out of the first 3 sets, yes. I think this is definitely worth it. Like I said, they went on nice. Once I think I also didn't let the liner dry 100%, and I know that's probably key. I don't see a ton of liner on the lash, but I'm sure it's there, so you have to clean it. So I will just put this lash back on, and if you put it back on the little magnetic strip, it helps keep its shape. So let's get that back on there, and I'll make sure I clean that really good and get that off. But it's almost like that this liner then like flakes right off. So it shouldn't be difficult to get the liner off. No, not at all. I would say these are definitely worth the money. They were under 20. Were they under $20? I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure the price, but I'll put that up on the screen so you guys know. And this is from Amazon, from EAS Beauty, EAS Beauty. And I know if you do buy them and you do a review for them or make a YouTube video, they do offer you another set. Oh, that's why that didn't go on right, because I didn't put them on the magnet properly. Let's put them this way. Lashes up. Okay. Let's see what's going on there. Yep, have it on right. They'll offer you another set for doing a review, or I think it was a gift card for an Amazon gift card, $15 Amazon gift card, something like that. So I don't know what I'll choose. Probably the gift card, because I order from Amazon all the time. I still don't have them lashes on there properly. Yep. Had them on there right the first time. I don't know why I doubt myself. They were on there right the first time. So I'll make sure I clean them real good. I would love, I might start wearing these just to see, like I said, the liner, because it was so liquidy, hit, like I did fine till I got dead center of my eye, and then it clumped, it hit my lashes. My lashes are long. It hit my lashes and then clumped my lashes up instantly. And it was funny, I tried to take my tweezer and like separate them, and once the lash was on, and the tweezers like stuck right to the lash. So the magnet does work very well. Probably a little thicker line of a line would work probably the best. I'm not a big fan of black eyeliner, so I would love to find a colored eyeliner versus black. But I guess I could get away with it and just like do a brighter, like under eyeliner, do like a blue or something like that, like I normally do, to take away from that blackness. But I think these are great. I think these are well worth the money. Interested to try them again, which I will do, and do both eyes. So I will probably in the next week or so do another demo, and I'll add that to another video, and you know, I'll tag EAS Beauty so that they know. But I think these are definitely worth it. Even, like I said, I don't wear liner a lot, and I didn't struggle. It was just, if I didn't clump my lashes, I mean, they're still clumped in the dead center. I think it would have been easier than, because it seems like all the liner went to my lashes and didn't stay on my eye, because it's still missing in that area. But definitely like these, and I'm excited to continue to try them and try them all out, even the long ones there, and just get really long lashes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of liking doing some of these demo-ish type videos with product. I think it's kind of fun. So I appreciate all of you. I hope you're all doing well and having a great week. And I will see all of you in my next video with my new haircut. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.